Are you weary of the nagging discomfort and restriction brought on by joint pain and stiffness? Look no further than Joint Genesis. Crafted to liberate you from these shackles, this innovative product rejuvenates your joints, fostering a vibrant, independent lifestyle. Harnessing the power of cutting-edge science, Joint Genesis features a proprietary blend of 4 meticulously researched joint-supporting nutrients alongside the potent Mobility. This groundbreaking ingredient has been lauded for its ability to amplify hyaluronan levels in the joints tenfold, revolutionizing the landscape of joint health. Mobility steals the spotlight as the star component of Joint Genesis, boasting an impressive track record in promoting both joint comfort and physical function, substantiated by an abundance of clinical studies. But the magic doesn't stop there. Joint Genesis is fortified with additional elements like French maritime pine bark, ginger root, Boswellia serrata, and bioperine, synergistically enhancing joint comfort, flexibility, and mobility. The antioxidants within French maritime pine bark spearhead the battle against inflammation within the joint space, while ginger root and Boswellia serrata lend their support to joint function and comfort. Meanwhile, bioperine ensures the optimal absorption of all ingredients, facilitating swift and robust results. Embark on a journey to reclaim your vitality with Joint Genesis. Don't allow joint issues to stifle your zest for life any longer. Join the legions of satisfied seniors across the United States who have already experienced the transformative benefits of Joint Genesis. Experience the liberation from joint pain and stiffness. Embrace the joy of unhindered movement and renewed confidence. It's time to seize the reins of your life once more with Joint Genesis. Order now and pave the way for a future filled with vigor and vitality. Click the link below for further details and information.